Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve without a GPU. First, understand that performance will be limited. Ensure your system has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a strong CPU. Navigate to DaVinci Resolve's preferences, then to System and Memory and GPU. Disable the GPU processing option, forcing the software to rely solely on your CPU. This initial setup is crucial for managing expectations and optimizing your available resources. To significantly improve performance, adjust your project settings. Set your timeline resolution to a lower value, such as 720 pixels. Actively use optimized media, converting your footage to a more edit-friendly format. Enable the render cache for sections of your timeline, especially when applying effects. Working with proxy media, even at 1/4 resolution, will drastically reduce the processing load during editing. When editing, prioritize simplicity. Avoid complex visual effects, intricate transitions, and heavy color grading, as these are very demanding. Stick to basic cuts and simple dissolves to maintain responsiveness. For any sections requiring more processing, render them to cache frequently. This approach helps you preview your work smoothly and prevents the software from becoming unresponsive, making your editing experience more manageable. Finally, when exporting, choose efficient codecs like H.264 or H.265. Select a lower output resolution and frame rate, perhaps 720 pixels at 24 frames per second, to reduce render times. Be prepared for significantly longer export durations compared to systems with dedicated GPUs. Patience is key, and planning your render times accordingly will prevent frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.